awan Neha Children Hospital, awan Cimdawai di Dr. Arvita. Di dawai tang sebenarnya ngala Armet ya asal tu ba ini kita dawai jadi Dr. Arvita itu kita rekam ya nanti tang sebenarnya yang ada don menu-menu di Papua penuh Cimdawai di Dr. Arvita ya sawan Neha Children Hospital di Dr. Arvita IVF Dr. Arvita ikawan sisin sebenarnya buat gawati
Chief Secretary ke Sarkar Jela ba DP Walang hak Arpsantrik Unailur Arhajar Arpusau ulalum de kejingelang bagi nongelam ke Harijan Panchayat Committee ke belawan bensenran lang de kinongelam ka Shiromani Gurdwara Parbandhak Committee SGPC ke Bana Amritsar. Habakran nigelat patai kubor hadin gani kejingelang kinongelam jang ke SGPC kliatho baka blueprint belaterwar ke Sarkar Meghalaya halor kejing pekerja ikilai spa sopu artli kilong yeng na them metor sha Cotton Road kadai gebam penhun pura kumta gedang kuak kapor banyok benekran bat kinongelam ke Sarkar Nagaliang ujak Mohan Singh ukan vina uliatho bagani kejingelang kalong kumsi benta jang kejing ekran ke berang ya cekmat da ke bakadauru baka blueprint ke belapar ke Sarkar kampat long ke bahun nomor kata kidang penpau kat tukani kejing sokya bat ke berang don hapok kejing ekran bat kilaong bakiti kena baan la bane penben dok kam kloy habakeli ulaong halor kejingwan senran kinong yalam ke Amritsar ulaong baka jingwan yashim bentalang kelong namar kejing sokya namar kisik kelawan arspa asna menchwa na Punjab shashalong bat ki bahayang basem bat ki jaka jengki ke berana Punjab kumtala dan kino-kino kisik akan unu ke jaka hak pertai ki bamarjing ki jedan rengkat ban penpa ke jing teli jongki tak ke penrap ru baka jingwan kam de bantau ya kanu-kanu ke jingkul mar mereka long tang banerap ke Sarkar ban penbet ke jing hak rukom ke basuk bat ke bayadai
चीफ सेक्रेटरी साहब से मिलने के लिए हमारा एसजीपीसी का डेलीगेशन पहुंचा है यहाँ पे अमृतसर से आए पंजाब से तो अभी मिले हैं और वो जो हमने बात रखा है वो गवर्नमेंट के साथ में रखेंगे और उसके बाद में फिर जो चीफ सेक्रेटरी साहब बताएंगे हमें
It's a part of an ongoing discussion which is going on, and the SGPC leadership comprising of the General Secretary Sir Rajinder Singh Mehta, the First Bhagwan Singh Syalka and Gurinder Singh, and myself, I am just an activist, Jagmohan Singh. We have presented our viewpoint, and it is still in infancy as to what is going to happen. So we are not in a position to share anything with the media at this stage. We are only saying that it's a very constructive meeting that we had, and we are very hopeful that this problem of the residents of Punjabi Lane will be solved sooner than later. It concerns us because these Sikhs have come 200 years ago from Punjab. Their homeland is Punjab. Their relatives, their families, their lands are in Punjab. So if a Sikh anywhere in the world is hurt in any manner, it hurts us. And it is to express our hurt that we come and express solidarity with them. We are not here to create any trouble. We are here to help the government to resolve the problem in an amicable and proper manner. It's not fully satisfactory. Therefore, we are raising some concerns, which is under discussion, and I'm sure that we will be able to iron out a good solution.
We are coming from Sri Akal Takht Sahib, the highest temporal seat of Sikhs, and every issue may be arise in any part of world, then Akal Takht Sahib can intervene.